What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I look like a hot mess. Please forgive me. I actually wasn't planning on filming today. I kind of just wanted to lay in bed all day because I had a rough night last night, but that's no excuse. Gotta still grind, you know what I'm saying? So we're actually just gonna take it easy today. We're gonna go to Starbucks and we're gonna try the smoked butterscotch latte. So I've actually already tried the frappuccino, so if you want to see that video, go check it out. I already posted that one, but I decided we're gonna try the hot one today. But I'm also gonna get my drink because I haven't had my drink at all in 2020, so I'm so excited. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below if you've tried the drink before, and if you like it, I would love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Awesome, thank you. You too. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay guys, so I went online and I saw like that they had a short, and since your girl only does these tasting videos for, these drinks for tasting videos, I thought it'd be a really good idea to get the short one since I actually don't drink all of the drink when I do buy it. It's just way cheaper and I think it's a lot better for me. So that's like really exciting. Okay guys, so this is like the cutest thing ever. So I'm like, sorry I keep playing with my hair. It's like really ugly right now, so I'm kind of insecure about it. But this is like my favorite ever. I think I'm gonna constantly get hot drinks now just because the little shorts are so cute. I think this honestly though was like $4, so it's like $4 for this little drink, which I think is kind of ridiculous. So like if you will actually drink the full drink, I would get a tall because I think it's just like $1 more. But if you just want to try it to taste it, then obviously I think a short would be the best option. I wish I knew about this sooner because I waste so much of the hot drinks because I'm more of a frappuccino girl. So that kind of sucks, but okay, I know you're here to see the video and not me talk about this really cute, tiny, short drink. But okay, like I said, I tried the frappuccino already. Not gonna spoil if I liked it or not. You'll have to go watch it or just watch this one because it's just literally the same thing, just a hot drink. But I hope I don't burn myself, but here we go. Okay, I talked about this in my other video, so if you've gotten this far, I guess it's fine. You don't have to go watch my other one. I taste the smoky flavor of it. I'm really curious on how they actually get the smoky flavor in the drink because it's a drink, you know? So I'm like very curious how they do that. So I do taste the smokiness. I don't taste butterscotch at all, and I know that's supposed to be part of the drink since it's in the name, but I don't taste it. I taste the smokiness and coffee, and then there's no butterscotch in there. So I don't know, like, if it's the way they made it, they didn't put enough butterscotch, or like what, or if it's like the size of the drink that I got, because I'm actually not sure if that affects the flavor of the drink. But to me it just tastes like smoked coffee, which actually isn't like bad, but it's just like not what you expected because you thought it was going to be like butterscotch, you know what I'm saying? I think personally the frappuccino was better than the latte because I did taste more of the butterscotch in the frappuccino. I don't know if that's because it was cold or not. But yeah, this is like really cute. I totally recommend getting short drinks just because they're adorable. But oh my god, someone's coming around. I hate when people do this, but it's like they're never gonna see me again, so I don't know why I get like so insecure. But yeah, so I would have to rate this drink maybe like a 4 out of 10, just because like I said, I don't taste a butterscotch. I would love to taste more of that in this drink because it is in the name. But yeah, totally taste it if you haven't before. If you have, if you didn't like it, obviously don't get it again. But thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below video ideas for the future, and he's parking next to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.